a beautiful sight. There's no place like it. This is Daytona.
Be smart. We'll try to keep it up front all night. Keep you safe here. These guys are going to drive absolutely crazy with these left side skirts on. Let's go have fun for 100 laps, see if we can be there at the end. Nice truck, guys. Try to keep it shiny like it is.
Pace vehicle is off.
Green.
Finger going to the inside.
I didn't know if my help was clear. He was clear, all right. Road right by us. Stay on the bottom here.
Trying to hold off the pack. And Rafael Lassard, he wins stage one.
Good work.
Getting ready for pit stops.
Watch out. The 19's a idiot. Truck forward.
The 88 is also being penalized for pitting outside the box.
Come right now, we got a pit. Holding us a lap. We're sitting outside the box. We roll forward.
This is stage two.
Forward, your ball front now. Force to the bottom. Your bottom is clear.
Look at all that pushing and shoving.
One, he's looking upstairs. Come outside. Get up. Over the top. All right, John. Green checker.
John Hunter Nemechek wins stage two.
Green.
Bump in the back end from the 38 of Gilliland.
48 turns you there. Go figure. Spinning in front here, down the apron. All right, we're in it. Awesome.
There's four wide. I knew it would happen.
They're splitting you four wide. Stay high. They shoved me right in. It's hot. I don't know who it was. They wrecked you right in front of us. Still, sorry, guys. Next race it is.
Haley Deegan.
Sorry, guys. I think everyone saw the dust and checked up.
Now they're crashing.
Pick up. Got it, guys. Stay much. I don't know what you're doing. Nice and easy through the grass. We're done, boys.
Getting to the end, the toughest part.
Safe cars off.
Overtime at Daytona. Nice push by Crafton.
So half outside on you side. Got Tim right here. 3 wide, about 2 back. Outside lane's got the momentum. On you pushing, middle lane clear. Your help is clear. Don't let him split you.
Rhodes jumps up front to block Creed, and now back to the bottom.
Push him all you can, except for in the corner. He's in the wall. Come back down half here. Watch for him. Inside here. Inside.
Corey Roper to the front.
Stay down there. We're going to block him from here.
Contact in the 22.
Stupid piece of
We stay green. Big crash, and Ben Rhodes going around the outside.
Just hold the brake. Stay in the middle. Just hold on. Keep digging.
Across the line. It's Ben Rhodes, the winner.
Thank you. Yeah! You got us, folks. They're on 4. Nothing you can do about these guys getting together. That's how this racing is. You have a fan, Ben Rhodes. Good drive there, kid. I can't even believe it. You won at Daytona!
For more great NASCAR on Fox content, subscribe to our channel. It's somewhere right around here.